Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, Therichpost. Myself Ajay, and I hope you are doing great. So guys, in this working video, I'm going to show you the beautiful DSpace-10 article page. And yesterday, I've shown you the DSpace homepage, and thank you for liking that post as well. And friends, before showing you working demo, I must say please watch the video till the end, and please subscribe my channel for latest updates. And also, if you will have any kind of query, then feel free to contact me anytime via this blog post or video or my blog. See the contact us page. You'll get my email ID, WhatsApp number, and Upwork ID as well. I am full-time freelancer. You can hire me for your services, and friends. Also, you will get multiple free things from a blog as well. See. Now back to the beautiful article page demo. See the top section you have already seen, and the beautiful title. Scroll down, see description, the article info, see the stats, views, downloads, and the keywords, and see the beautiful three buttons. Now I will show you the PDF viewer as well. On this button, click, see button clicked, and see the beautiful PDF viewer as well. See guys, works like charm. Post as well. Below related articles, you will see the whole effect, and the footer as well. See guys, the beautiful article page or item page for DSpace. And friends, after it I will come with more things, and please subscribe my channel, please support me, and also if you will have any kind of DSpace work, then feel free to contact me anytime. And friends, in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye-bye.